My name's Jerry King and I've been an attorney for 6 years. I practice 100% criminal law. I became a lawyer because I wanted to do something interesting, challenging, and because I wanted to help people. I worked as an assistant district attorney for over 4 years, and in that time I was very passionate about being a prosecutor, but I found myself starting to think about being a defense attorney. And one of the big reasons why is I would find myself in court and I'd be listening to people charged with a crime, defendants, and they would be telling the court or telling people in the courtroom that their attorney wasn't following up with them, that their attorney wasn't explaining things to them, that their attorney hadn't reviewed certain things. And I was on the other side of these defense attorneys as prosecutors, and I knew that they hadn't reviewed some of the evidence, and I knew that what questions they weren't asking of me as a prosecutor. People charged with a crime deserve a better attorney representing them. So I made the decision to switch and start working on the defense side of a criminal case because I felt as though people deserved better representation. So one of the jobs I had prior to going to law school was working for Enterprise Rent-A-Car. It's one of the hardest jobs you could have. People are coming in because they've had a really bad day. They got in a car accident, their car's broken and they can't afford to fix it. They're dealing with insurance companies and it's very stressful for them, and they exhibit all kinds of emotions. I think that experience is helpful to me because people come to me now and have had a really bad day. They've been arrested and they're being accused of committing a crime, and they're looking to me to try to help them. Just like I did at Enterprise Rent-A-Car, I'm trying to find solutions, get a game plan to try to help them. One case that I'm really proud of is I represented an individual who was incarcerated in jail. He had been working with another attorney for a few months and was stuck in jail. And the attorney that he was working with was not visiting him. When I got the case, I went and visited him at the jail, and I was told that I could meet with him for 10 minutes. That was not acceptable to me. I told the jail that I needed 1 to 2 hours to meet with my client, not 10 minutes. I was denied more than 10 minutes on multiple occasions. I went to the attorney for the jail and told them that there would likely be a lawsuit if I wasn't able to get full access to my client as often as I needed. After that, I was able to get 1 and 2 hour meetings with my client, and ultimately I used that injustice of him not being able to meet with me to change the narrative between me, the district attorney, and the judge, and got a very favorable outcome.